welcome back to Vlogmas day
21?
around there. I'm not really sure, but we are on our way to that spot where I was talking to you guys about yesterday. I ended up wearing whatever it is that I was gonna wear with my blue shoes, and we are on our way to guys, we made it to Speedway. We always stop by this gas station right here before we go up the grapevine so we can get some snacks, pump some gas, use the restroom. What are you getting, Joseph?
Yeah, she said that, Mom.
The sodas? Mr. Tapia is already here without us. We're gonna grab some burritos or taquitos. I want you know what, Joseph, what'd you get, my baby? No?
Apple juice.
Apple juice. We got all the snackies in the bag. And now we're about to pump some gas. Guys, I am like hoping that those freaking reindeer ears make it, because I have a really bad tendency of rolling down the windows to show Joseph the excavators. And that's how they fly out into the freeway.
He bumped him hard. He's like, look. Guys, we're leaving the game with my little bag full of tampons. Josiah is very upset because even though he was rooting for the opposite team, they were rooting for a very long time. To the end of the game, Rams took the win. right, guys, so this is gonna be it. This is the end of the vlog. We are about to head back home, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell, follow me on everything, and that's it, guys.